The dream of driving through Vice City is slipping even further away because Rockstar Games just hit the brakes on Grand Theft Auto 6 again. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Rockstar Games made a statement in which they apologized to fans, saying the extra time will ensure the level of polish you have come to expect and deserve. Translation: they're still fine-tuning your next virtual crime spree. Set in a reimagined modern-day Vice City, which is now called Leonida, GT 6 will follow dual protagonists Lucia Caminos and Jason Duval, with leaks and early footage teasing the franchise's most ambitious open world yet. Rockstar promises a sprawling state and an unrivaled blockbuster experience, but gamers aren't exactly thrilled about another delay. Take-Two Interactive CEO Strauss Zelnick tried to calm them off, insisting the team remains excited and confident in delivering something truly game-changing. But fans on social media are already venting frustration, with one writing, "At this rate, GTA 7 will drop before GTA 6. The long-awaited blockbuster won't hit shelves until November 19, 2026. Originally dated for May 2026, the sequel's delay adds another 6 months to what's already been a decade-plus wait since GTA 5 dropped back in 2013. In a statement, the new date conveniently places the release just before the 2026 holiday rush, which is making us think it's less about polish and more about profits. Still, judging by Rockstar's history, the wait might pay off in jaw-dropping detail and chaos-fueled gameplay. Until then, fans can only rewatch trailers and dream of speeding through Vice City until late 2026. How badly are you waiting for it now? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.